Okay, so I just moved some stuff out of the way, but now we're going to try to put together one half. Basically this half, we're going to repeat it with the equipment we have left. So, I'm not going to use these two pieces just yet, so I'll set them to the side. And then, alright, so here are our remaining two pieces. And here are U's. The smallest rack in the world. And then I'm taking the thicker of the screws. I can't really tell, but they line up. So I'm taking, oops, sorry. Let's see. These two holes here, and these two holes here. Let's see. There you go. I'm lining them up, and I'm putting this U piece on the outside of the longer piece. And then it's threaded, so it'll take pretty well. That's how I knew it was the correct screw. This whole thing didn't come with any instructions, so thank you, iStar. Alright, so we'll just leave it in there a little bit loose so we can move it around. Now this is attached to those two pieces, and then we will attach to the top. I'm keeping everything really loose so that we can move it around if we need to. I'm going to put this piece underneath. Let's see. There we go. Alright. Let's see, again, not really loose, and then we'll do two more, and we'll be done with this little section. Where are you? Oh, it's on the outside. Oh no. Oh no. Dios mío. Alright. Has to have one pivot point so I can get it on the other side. Whoops. There we go. Alright, we're back in business. That's pretty much it. Let's flip them up. Alright, now we're getting somewhere. So I just wanted to come in and show you some of the corners with all the bolts in there. So what we're working with. Here's your clip. There you go. Okay, nothing too amazing, but I just wanted to share how that. Oh, all right. Let's go over here. So, okay, cool. So you can see everything's got the bolts, and we'll continue.